Butter. No, here. I do it to you.
Okay.
I told you it's funny. Go like this. Onion. A little olive oil from the garlic, easy. No, where's the spoon? Yeah. No, that's it. That's it. Put the flame too high. Put it high, completely high.
Higher?
What's the matter with you?
It's on low.
Put it high.
Oh, okay. Keep it going.
See? That's how you learn, teach him how to cook, you understand? See? Then a little bit, like this. Then it starts to become cookie. See, it changes right away.
What are we doing?
Get the mushroom.
The mushroom?
The mushroom. Put the mushroom. Quick, yeah. That's it. So the mushroom will shrink, become small. You understand? Yeah?
No. The what?
Will shrink. Become small. With the chicken.
Chicken?
Then you can put salt and pepper.
Okay.
Yeah? Then put salt and pepper.
Tell me when.
All around. You don't put the salt in one spot, go around.
Around?
No. One second. Otherwise, one piece of chicken got too much salt. You understand? Spread it. See?
Spread it? Okay.
It's spread it. You don't go just go like that. One spot. Go around. No. What's wrong with you? You put around.
Oh.
You don't put just one lump like this.
Yeah.
Here. Like this, you put too much salt on it. Yeah? You understand what I'm saying? Because if you put it just like that, one piece of chicken will have too much salt on it. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Now stir until the chicken not pink anymore. You understand? You got it?
I get it.
Look. See the chicken now?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta cook the chicken. Okay. Now, what do you got? Now, get the cream.
Coming up?
Yeah. Cream. Yeah. Around. Everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful.
You have the water maybe?
No, there's chicken stock. No, here.
Oh, I see.
See, this is chicken. That's vegetable stock. Here we go. Finish with this. Here we go. Okay. Then get the soy sauce, mushroom soy sauce. Mushroom soy sauce. And a spoon.
Yeah, hold it.
Mushroom soy sauce. Yeah. Beautiful. One more. One more. Yeah. Beautiful. Little bit. That's it. This is chicken and mushroom.
Looks so good.
2 minutes. 2 minutes chicken and mushroom. Creamy chicken and mushroom. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Huh?
2 minutes.
Okay, you do.
2 minutes.
You do
Me
that.
now?
2 minutes. Tomato.
Mix it.
That's it. Yeah. Can you see?
Show me.
Thick from outside, inside. See?
Outside, inside.
Yeah. Basta. See?
how to be a chef. Bye-bye.